Max Money Tribe, Max Money family, what's going on? It's your boy Alvin. We had a long day, man, but we did have some positive news. I'm gonna get into that. Where have you been? Did you see the Facebook was down? Instagram was down. They already have articles about how much money it's going to cost Facebook. They're quick to put those type of articles out. As you see here, Amazon stock drops more towards its longest losing streak in more than 2 years. So much FUD. They're ready to put that out. Never the positive stuff. It's like quickly comes or slowly comes out. Guys, crush that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up because we're still trying to make our way up just like a stock chart. We're trying to reach 300, then 500, then 1,000, guys. I need your help. Hitting the subscribe button, it's free. Hit the thumbs up button, it's free. And use the Robinhood link below. It has free stocks if you want to get into the investing world. It's Baby Steps is a great app to use. I'm not sponsored by them. Guys, so I want to talk about short squeeze plays. And I got some big Shiba news, man. If you already been following my channel, my videos, I got a Shiba account on the side. I told you guys I keep putting money into. I got about, I think 25 million or 30 million shares of Shiba coin. So let's get into the short squeeze plays. First off, the portfolio is sitting at $1,551. I added another $125 today. I doubled down. I saw it was a nice red day. I doubled down on all my call options. So here's a quick look. You can pause the video, check them out. They all expire October 15th. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. These are all my plays, guys. So I doubled down, even added like, a couple more brand new ones like the SPY. I added that call at the last minute. I added a few more shares, but I like my positions to hold, nothing too crazy. That's pretty much it. I'm holding steady. It wasn't a terrible day. I'm down about $98. So let's get into the squeeze list. That's what we want to see. We got a running squeeze list over here, guys. If you didn't know, the only one green is FAMI. We'll get into it if you haven't heard about it. Again, where have you been? We mentioned this a week or two ago. So FAMI, the high of the day was 40 cents, around that range. And it managed to squeak out about a cent, almost 2 cents today. So it's green. You got to count your green days. Everything was red in the market. Now, these all still have a lot of potential to take off. I do have my BBIG shares, a lot of articles that I put out. I'm going to bring that back up maybe tomorrow with the actual article with dates in there that we should be watching with BBIG. But if you go just check it out real quick, you'll see the volume was at 12 million. The average volume is 37 million. Same thing with like say AMC. AMC volume was 40 million. There was even an article that said this, that they had great attendance numbers and record numbers. Says AMC says we can set post-opening records for global attendance. That happened this morning. They released that news, and that still couldn't save it today. But the market will react to this. It might be tomorrow. So it jumped up this morning and sold off, man. So it's just the way it is. The news came at one of the worst times, but maybe tomorrow to have a nice pop. So that's something to watch on your radar, man. Other than that, what's our big dog here? Okay, FAMI again. I want to check the volume. It was 285 million. So that's huge, but it was below that average volume. ATER is down. Everything's trending down. So there's not too much to really say about these. CEI did have a nice pop this morning, 40 cents, but now it's slowly leaking back down there. So it's trying to find a bottom. So remember, get you a little bit of each one of these just in case they run. I'm not saying get every single one, but figure out which one on this list you really like. Myself, BBIG. I like AMC as always. The apes are strong. ATER is one of my favorites. But I'm not sleeping on any of these plays because as soon as you do that, they always take off. Now, guys, I want to talk about Shiba coin. If you got any Shiba coin, you got any Dogecoin, let me know. If you're into the crypto market, let me know. If there's a crypto you want to know about, just ask. So I'm getting into the Shiba coin, but I want to show you Doge is up today. As you see, it's running off. It was down here at 21 cents. And it's popped up here today. So that's looking real good. I only have 142 shares because I do a reoccurring thing now. I used to scalp this a lot, but I'm just letting that build up. But let's get into my Shiba account real quick. So this right here, I have on crypto.com. Crypto.com. Now look at this. This was at $410 a while ago. I'm not selling any. I thought about it for a second. I know it's going to drip back down because of the news that was put out on it. But as you see, I was up almost $130, $40. So if you go and you navigate through this platform here, let's see, Shiba was up 60% plus today, man. That is crazy. Now I'm going to tell you why. I'm sure you already heard of it, but as you see, it was up there. You see the value. I have about 26 million shares. Wait until this hits Robinhood. I'm telling you guys, they're working on a wallet. You want to get in this type of stuff now. Hit subscribe on the channel so you know these plays. Now, let's hop on over why it was up. Right here, Shiba coin trends on Twitter, Google. Will Shiba reach 1 cent? So one of the biggest gainers in the crypto space in 2021 has been Shiba. The coin is gaining interest on social media and Google, which could be a positive event along with increased availability. So Shiba has been getting listed on a lot of different platforms and it's so freaking cheap. Guys, it's less than a half. It's less than a half a penny. It's around, I think, about a quarter of a penny. Everybody can afford this. And it has a mass following, guys. Imagine if this hits 1 cent. You want to get in on this. I have a crypto.com link as well. If you want to use that, I'm going to drop it in the comments as well. Interest in Shiba is rising across trends. With the top search, will Shiba reach 1 cent? Seeing a 600% increase in searches over the last day. On Twitter, the hashtag SHIB has been trending several times in the top 10. So a lot of news. You got to follow the news. Why is it important? Dogecoin saw a surge in its value in 2021, going from 1 cent at the start of the year to over 70 cents per coin. You don't want to miss this one, guys. You don't want to miss this one. Robinhood Markets has offered Dogecoin to its customers since 2018. Other popular crypto platforms that add access to Dogecoin include Coinbase. So that talks about Dogecoin. But right here it says, it's rumored that Robinhood will include Shiba Inu when it rolls out its official cryptocurrency wallet. Huge news. You heard it here. If you didn't hear it here first, then hey, you're up to the trend. But I'm letting you know you can get in on this. Can SHIB reach 1 cent? Shiba is trading up to 29%, and there you see the value. It's 0.00001037. So that's 4 zeros right now. We're trying to get to a penny, guys. One of the common searches in the questions is SHIB can reach 1 cent. The coin reached a high of 4 zeros, 3,018 back in April. And that's when a lot of people got hip to it. And that made millionaires. There are over 394 trillion Shiba coins in circulation. There's also an auto burn function. So don't be confused. There is a burn function. So it's burning off in place of the coin to burn the token to take away from the circulating supply. So it is something that is diminishing. So it does have that working for it. The auto burn was confirmed by the maker, the developer. I don't know his name. I'm not even going to try. We don't need more listings. We need usefulness and, according to many, a significant burn. So he said, while confirming the company is burning coins, an auto burn function could lower the supply of SHIB and help boost the value of each coin left. Let's go, man. You heard it right there. So right here, uses to earn, yeah, we're not reading all that. So you heard it here first. Shiba coin right there. The reason you need to get in on this, guys. Get you some Shiba coin on crypto.com, or when it hits Robinhood, which I guarantee it will, that's going to be a huge pop for it. So you want to be in before it reaches the pop, and then you want to hold it. So when it reaches the 1 cent, and then we start talking about, okay, now is this Dogecoin? Are we going for $1 here? Because even though we have the United States dollar, don't we have plenty of other dollars? There's plenty of other cryptocurrencies. There's plenty of other fiat currencies. So that's what I mean. There can be more than one. You don't have to have Dogecoin, Bitcoin. There can be others, and this is one that is so cheap, everybody can afford it. Go tell your grandma right now, get some Shiba coin, guys. I appreciate you. I'll see you tomorrow. We can eat off this market. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up, please. I need you guys. I'm not like those other big channels. I'm relatable and transparent. Smash the subscribe button, please, guys. I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Stay tuned for more.